Good day, Bimmers. Welcome to my channel. Today, we have something special in store for you. Ever wondered how to reset the service light on your BMW 840i or M850i? Well, you're in luck. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into this comprehensive guide together. Step 1. Hit the start button 3 times rapidly and wait until Diagnostic Mode Active pops up on the display. Step 2. Hold down the BC button on the turn signal lever for 15 seconds until you see the reset menu. Step 3. Press the BC button repeatedly to find the engine oil menu. Step 4. Hold down the BC button until reset appears on the screen. Step 5. Hold down BC button again and wait until the reset progress bar finishes and you're done. And there you have it. Your BMW 8 Series service light is now reset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more car maintenance tips and tricks. Until next time, and good luck.